On Wilton Road in Salford M6 to show you this new listing we've got coming up. It is a large 3-bedroom semi-detached property. As you can see, it's got a driveway providing off-road parking for several cars. Lovely maintained garden as well to the front. Let's take a look inside. So as we go into the property, we go into a porch, which then opens up to a spacious entrance hallway. This then provides access to a downstairs toilet, just through here. You'll note that the property is really well presented throughout. From the hallway we also have access to this bay-fronted family lounge, which again is pristine in its presentation. And just through here we have the dining room. Again, nicely decorated. Then we go through to a modern fitted kitchen, which has an additional space at the back for a utility room. To the rear of the property we have a generously sized garden, with paving, stones and mature plants. There's a lot of scope to extend the property subject to planning permission as well. It is on a really generous plot and benefits from a detached garage as well. The property is within walking distance of Salford Royal Hospital, making it an ideal location for professionals. It's also within catchment of Ellesmere Park High School, close to several local schools and parks, making it a great family location too. As we head upstairs, from the landing, you'll find 3 well-proportioned bedrooms. We have the third just through here, which is a good size. You can't really see too well because of the wardrobe in place. Then we have the main bedroom, which benefits from that bay window. Really good size, as you can see. And we have the second bedroom just through here. Again, a large double. And then we have this huge modern 4-piece family bathroom, completing accommodation. Properties in this location are very popular. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.